We are going to do Keto Taco Bowls, and while this meat is just browning, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the taco seasoning that you use for your tacos. Okay, so we may not think of this often, but even things in packets are not good for us carb-wise, especially living the keto life. So I wanted to go ahead and look at this package of taco seasoning from the store. So the first thing we see is that there's 6 servings in this packet. And when we go to the carbs, we see that there are 4 total carbs and 1 total sugars. But when we talk about 4 total carbs, and there's 6 servings in here, so this amounts to 24 grams of carbs per package. And then when we look at the ingredients, we see that we have spices, maltodextrin, which is not good for keto, salt, dextrose, which is also not good for keto, cornstarch is another one, and then they just have some onion, some gums, and natural flavoring. So instead, we could make our own, and that's what I've done here. I've already made it. I make it in a batch so that I can just reuse it. I will post what is in here and the measurements for everything. It's ground cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and paprika. I will post the ingredients in here for single use and for batch. And guys, this, for 1 serving of this, which is just 1 tablespoon, is just 1 net carb. I strained my meat and I have my seasoning here. Like I said, it's just 1 tablespoon. So I've got my 1 tablespoon and I put it in there like that, and I add a half a cup of water to it. And then all I'm going to do is mix that up with a lid on top for about 10 minutes. Okay, so for the taco bowl, we are going to use, I just have fresh grated cheddar here. I'm going to use about a cup, and then I'm going to put it on a microwave safe plate on top of some parchment paper. So I'm going to go ahead and get that measured out and pour it on there, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my cheese on the parchment paper on my plate, and I'm going to pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, so when it comes out, it should look something like this. You're just going to place it into a bowl. And guys, this is Nicole Burgess's queso blanco that she makes. I will put a link down below. I'm probably going to put a little bit of that on top of my taco. Here it is, the final product, and you can hear it is hard and like a taco shell, well, taco bowl. You can make shells too if you want, but I'm doing a bowl tonight. I'm going to go ahead and set my taco bowl up, and I will show you the end product. Okay, and there it is. I've got my taco bowl shell on the bottom. I've got my meat. I put a little bit of extra shredded cheese on there. I put some salsa that I'm going to talk about in a minute, dollop of sour cream, and this is that queso I was talking about. Again, I will put the link to that down below if you want to watch her video on how to make it. And then I just drizzled with a little bit of hot sauce. So the salsa I'm using is the Members Mark Fresh salsa from Sam's Club. And on the back, we could see that the serving size per container is 45. The serving size is 2 tablespoons. So for 2 tablespoons, it's 1 total carb. There's 1 gram of total sugars. And in the ingredients, it's tomatoes, onions, jalapeno peppers, cilantro, garlic water, garlic phosphoric acid, salt, contains less than 1% lemon juice from concentrate, and guys, the 1 gram of carbs for that one total sugar is from the tomatoes. So this is some really good salsa. If you like salsa, this is one that you can go for.